problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Sumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela Bakmi ia ketenat kampen Roysor ubak Sniawbhalang dhar. Ule pensyai bagi Sorkar kam syam lekendang iki Nongdie Madan hendrai kala yaki ke Jaka ke biang bakin syong de jing de. Ule ong bagi Sorkar kaklam kendang setia iki Nongdie Madan hendrai kala pat de Khaïi ke Jaka syong dukan. Kum hamuda kompleks ke belong ke biang bah bakin la ban Khaïi bat ke jing kendra ke dairu ke belalekat kum ke hukum jaki yang syari. Ubak Sniawbhalang dhar ula ong ru bagi jing temu berpekerja kehidupan Madan kadai ban penmentoy yaki bat bermara ke jing kuat hakasor bat ban pen keluar igilentia. Uletur ubak Sorkar kelai kendo ikinong syong dukan Madan bat kelas ngap ikijing kerpat jongki bak Sorkar kala persyang bane akarukom ke bebaha om bancu bread yaki. Bak Sorkar ke kemilenti bikinong de Madan kedet ban syong na ki Jaka ki balabo lara kim bot ikine kejing betha ka an kan sale ya ke badan kam.
Don't worry. Government will do its own job. We are just doing the enforcement drive only to place and put our people in the right direction. Because we are trying our best from the government, which is in line with the court order. And you know very well that we are aware. All of us are one that our city should be neat and clean. Yes, we have to respect the pedestrian footpath. For the other to move along the road, and we want to clean and keep it in the right direction. So, and we as government, we are trying to do in such a manner that we are not throwing our people. We are giving a schemes and put them into the good places. You know where the Moda, which is very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose. So we accept it and we do as per the request, and we are doing our own job. I think we have Moda. I don't think so they will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time. Because we are doing for the right thing for you people in the state as a whole. I want my cities to be clean, neat and clean, and we should be living in discipline. And that's why we are not throwing them out. We are working nicely in such a manner to put them in the place. And also now, is the implementation part has come, so we have to go with it. Don't worry, I'm having a full confidence they will be cooperate with the government, and if not, the law will take on course. Simple as that.
What type of action, legal action?
Action is action, because we are following the High Court order.